We wonder many a times if there is some truth behind the remedies our grandma made to work. But is there any science behind them? I'm talking about things like honey for sore throat or ginger for an upset stomach. In this video, I'm going to share some simple and proven remedies for common issues. Things like sore throat, cough, headache, indigestion and more. And we'll make use of ingredients commonly available in your kitchen. By the end of this video, I hope you'll never look at your pantry the same way again. Cough can be irritating and even make it impossible for you to focus or sleep. Try honey and lemon. Take a spoonful of honey and mix it with a few drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You can sip it just like that or can mix it in warm water for the soothing drink. Honey adds a coating to your throat and reduces that tickling feeling. Lemon helps the process by adding a dose of vitamin C to boost your immunity. In fact, some studies show that honey can work just as well as over-the-counter cough medicines for mild coughs. Be careful though. Honey isn't very safe for babies under 1 year old. Do keep it in mind. If you wake up and your throat feels sore, scratchy, dry, or maybe just annoying, try this technique. Mix about half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle for 30 seconds. Spit it out and repeat a few times a day. Salt helps in reducing swelling and clears out the bacteria sitting in your throat. It basically detoxes your throat. If you don't like plain salt water, add a pinch of turmeric to it. Turmeric has an anti-inflammatory nature, so it makes the solution even more effective. You should feel the difference after just a few tries. No one likes to have a stuffy nose, especially when trying to sleep at night. A simple fix for this issue is steam. Boil some water, pour it into a bowl, and lean over it with a towel covering your head to trap the steam. Breathe deeply for a few minutes, and you'll notice your nasal passages clearing up. If you want to take it one level up, add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to the water. Eucalyptus is a natural decongestant, and so it can help loosen up the mucus even faster. It's fine if you don't have eucalyptus oil. Plain steam can work too. Be careful though not to get too close to the hot water. Headaches can hit you at the worst times, when you are working, studying, or just trying to relax. If your headache feels like a tight band around your head, it's probably related to tension. This happens when the muscles in your neck, shoulders, and head get tight due to stress or poor posture. In this case, a warm compress can help relax those muscles and ease the pain. Soak a clean towel in warm water. Then wring out extra water and fold the towel. Place it on the back of your neck, forehead, or even over your eyes. Leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Your muscles will start to loosen up. If your headache is more of a throbbing pain, especially on one side of your head, it could be a migraine. This is where a cold compress will work. Instead of warm water, wrap few ice cubes or a bag of frozen peas in a thin towel and hold it gently against your forehead, temples, or the back of your neck for about 10 minutes at a time. Repeat a few times if needed. Cold compress numbs the pain and reduces inflammation. You can even rub a tiny bit of peppermint oil on your temples. Studies have shown that it can help with headaches. The most important bit, regardless of the method you choose, don't forget to do some deep breathing exercises, as it is considered to be very effective when it comes to headaches. Sometimes we eat a heavy meal and then regret it because it makes us feel bloated and uncomfortable. Instead of taking an antacid here, try some peppermint or ginger tea. Peppermint tea relaxes the muscles in your digestive tract and helps in relieving from gas and bloating. However, if you are prone to acid reflux, skip the peppermint tea and try ginger tea instead. Ginger can speed up digestion and reduces nausea. You can make ginger tea at home by slicing a few pieces of fresh ginger and boiling them in water. Add some honey if you don't like the taste and want to make it sweet. A lot of us struggle with getting a good night's sleep. If you find yourself tossing and turning a lot, chamomile tea can be your best bet. Chamomile has been used for centuries to help people relax and sleep better. It contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which binds to certain receptors in your brain. It reduces anxiety and promotes sleep. Just sip a warm cup about 30 minutes before bedtime and let your body relax naturally. You can pair it with a calming bedtime routine. turn off your screens, dim the lights, and maybe even do some light stretches. I have a very detailed video on this topic. Should pop up somewhere here on your screen. I will also link it in the description of the video. A word of caution here. Chamomile is great for sleep, but it might not be safe for some people who have certain allergies or for those who are on blood thinners. If your muscles are paining or feeling sore after workout in gym, it's a sign that your muscles are trying to repair and recover. You can try taking an Epsom salt bath to speed up the recovery process. Add 1 to 2 cups of Epsom salt to warm water in a standard size bathtub and soak your body in it for 15 to 20 minutes. Otherwise, dip a towel into Epsom salt water and apply it to the sore spot on your body. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium, which is absorbed through your skin. It replenishes the magnesium levels in your body, which helps in relaxing your muscles and also reduces inflammation. Beware though, soaking too often or for too long can dry out your skin and mess those magnesium levels instead of fixing them. If you are not too fond of taking a dip, you can try doing a gentle massage with coconut oil. It has natural anti-inflammatory properties and it feels amazing on sore muscles. Minor burns can be very painful, whether it's from a splash of hot oil or due to accidentally touching a hot pan. Aloe vera gel can come to your rescue here. You can buy aloe vera gel from the market or even make it at home. If you have an aloe vera plant at home, just cut a small piece, scoop out the gel and apply it directly to the burn. Aloe vera has cooling and healing properties and it can reduce pain and prevent the skin from drying out. A common mistake we all do is to put ice directly on the burn. It can actually damage the skin further. Use ice wrapped in a clean handkerchief or in a thin cloth. Otherwise, stick with aloe vera and let it do its magic. Nausea can strike us at the most inconvenient times. It can happen during a car ride or after a heavy meal, or even general when you're feeling sick. One of the best remedies for this is ginger. You can sip on ginger tea, chew on a piece of raw ginger, or even try some ginger candies. Ginger works by calming the stomach and improving digestion. Ginger has also been known to be particularly effective for morning sickness during pregnancy and for reducing nausea caused by motion sickness. Just make sure not to overdo it, as too much ginger can cause heartburn or upset your stomach. I hope you have found these remedies helpful and learned something new today. If you have your own go-to natural remedy and want to share it with us, please write to us in the comments and we'll include it in part 2 of this video. Natural remedies are powerful, but like anything else, they need to be used thoughtfully. They may not work instantly in some cases, but they do give you a long-term benefit. If for any reason your symptoms persist or tend to get worse, always seek medical advice from a professional. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more tips on living a healthier and natural life. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.